So good morning, guys. I'm doing a short blog this morning. Yes, Ramful Yedi again. I had to lose out my hair because I have to wash it because I have an event on weekend and my hair needs to be neat. But I'm making this blog, a short blog, for two reasons, and the two reasons is this, right? You all need to understand something. We are all human beings, right? And this goes for young entrepreneurs who are now starting out their business and whatever it is. I am making this blog not just for them, but for anybody who is doing business, knows what I'm talking about. People, if you all have your event or you want something done, let's say you want your hair done or your nails done or whatever the case may be, and the person gives you a price, right? It's either you said yes, you would like them to accommodate you, or not, right? Some of you all have such a nasty attitude towards people who are doing business, and you all want an item. For example, I make a lot of candles, tokens and stuff for weddings and glasses, bride and grooms, things like that, right? You all have some nasty attitude, right? Now you all need to understand this, right? I have to order my stuff to make things for you. They are not cheap, right? I can't be taking my money to make something for you, to make you comfortable, and then at the end of the day I am out of money when my child needs to go to school or I need to put food on my table. I don't have the money because I so studying to please you as a customer. Now I love all my customers, don't get me wrong, but it's just this. You all need to have a heart, and you all need to understand that the equipment for what you are requiring is not cheap, right? The material for what you all are requiring is not cheap, right? Because if I go to the supermarket, and I'm sure you all know what I'm talking about. If I go to the supermarket and I'm a penny short, I have to put back the item. You understand what I'm saying? So it's the same. If you come to somebody for a business purposes, for them to do something for you, and they tell you their price, if you don't agree with the price, okay, it is fine. You can go and look around somewhere else. Listen here. I had to deal with a customer this morning and I had to put her in her place. She messaged me and she wanted some of the glasses I made. Lady, Mosh Pod in cheap, because you can't use the cheap ass glue on those glasses, because then you go come and give me a bad review and say I ain't do your glasses properly. You understand what I'm saying? Mosh Pod in cheap. The sponge to put on the glitter on your glass in cheap. The diamonds for your glass in cheap. The glass in cheap, because yes, you have to pay for the glass too. Do you expect me to take my glass from my house to give it to you? Unless you're willing to provide your own glass, right? I don't have a problem with sometimes discounting price for people, because I could understand, but I am not going and stretch my hand where I cannot reach to the end of the day when I do your product and you satisfy, yes, but I have no money to feed my child or to send him to school. I am not disrespectful, but as a person who is conducting business, I need to be realistic, because the material to do what you want isn't cheap. It isn't cheap at all. So you all need to have some respect and understanding towards people who you come and you ask to do whatever for you. Be realistic. Some of you all are very unfair, and I do not agree with you with that. Some of you all are very, 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 very unfair, and it is ridiculous. If you come to me, I don't mind doing whatever, because but still I am not going to dip into my own pocket to make something for you. That does not make sense. What am I gaining from that? Nothing. Right? And then the next thing I have to touch, as I said, is two things I have to touch on. Earlier, I turned the fan off of me. I'm sorry. But I am feeling so warm. Because I put up some blinders there for my studio because they fixing some pipe out on the road, and usually I have the windows open, but they're fixing something, so there's a lot of dry dust blowing. So I put up some blinders on the windows because I don't want that dust getting inside, because I have sinus and I suffer from asthma, so I really don't want that dust getting inside and affecting me, because I have a lot of orders to do and I need to have it out. But I'll get back to number two. Number two is, let me take the fan off from me because I believe I cool down a little bit more, and I need you all to hear me perfectly clear. Number two is this, right? There are some of you all who seem to think that when somebody has a business and you know them as a friend or so, all you just tell all yourself, right? But when it comes to me and business, I have no friends, because at the end of the day, my child comes first. And when I have to buy materials, I'm not taking my money out of my pocket to buy material to suit you. Sorry, but no. Right? Anyway, so there are some of you all who seem to think that just because you are an acquaintance of the person who owns the business, that gives you all right and penance, whatever they just call it. No. It doesn't. I am appreciative if you recommend me to somebody and think because you know my work is of good quality. But if you know somebody's doing shit, you wouldn't recommend them to nobody because you would feel shame. Not so? If you know that the person is good, you would recommend them. I could understand that you recommend me to somebody. And if the pay is good enough and I'm a good person, because people who know me of the character I am, if the pay is good enough as to what I get, I just come out and say, well, look here, look, all a small thing. I know you didn't ask for it, but still I appreciate you recommend the customer to me. That is the type of person I am. But if I don't have, I don't have. Some of you all have this thing where you all recommending people to people and then you all behaving like if the person owes you something. I didn't ask you to do anything for me. You did that on your own volition, because you know my work is of good quality. And some of you all, the same too, I'm sticking with this number two, some of you all have the audacity to believe that just because you want the person good, you could pay the person however you want. And I'm sorry, I don't do credit. All they ain't once they get up there again, they now fix the road, they know they come to dig it up again. All they know is pothole central. Always digging up all over the place. I'm sure they go leave it in a mess when they're done. But anyway, let me stick to number two. Just because I know you, I am not going to give you no discount. And then you're all mad and want to make all kind of posts about me, about friends, and you have no friends. I don't care. I don't have no friends neither too. My friends is God and my child and my pocket, because when I go to the grocery, I can't be a penny short. Sorry, but not sorry. So some of you all, if you don't agree with me, it's fine. But I said everything I say in this is based on my opinion, not yours. And I felt that I needed to say it because apparently like it's not being said enough. Just because I know you does not mean that I am going to be giving you discount all the time and all of that. I'm all for giving people discount now and again, you know, but come on, I can't do it all the time because the equipment, the material, I don't know why I keep saying equipment, the material to do these things for you all ain't cheap, and I cannot go to when I'm ordering the products to do these things for you all and say that I'm a penny short because they wouldn't give me the item. Let's be real. Well, you have a good day. I'm not mad. I'm just really tired because I would post the video of the stuff that I made, and all the orders went out today, and the driver was supposed to come since 7 because he said he coming 7 sharp. So I think that I need a new driver and all too. And I up whole night making these things. You see how sleepy I looking? I just went in the bathroom and bathed and come back out. And when I done bathe, then I realized, well, oh shit, I ain't wash my hair. First I was so tired. So when I go to bed later, I'll wash it. But I can't stop, and I'll go in and take like an hour sleep all day and hour song and how my face looking. So a whole night I up making these things because I had 17 orders to go out. Praise God, they going out. I just waiting for you to come to tell me all deliver safe. It's good thing as always keep a backup and everything in case, because you never know what could happen because the devil busy. But I send out the orders because I pulled a whole all nighter. I thank my son, he was up with me late and I keep running him in the bed, but he was like, Mommy, I have so much I work and I live in here. I love my child too bad. And he gets up spritey this morning. Boy, that young people energy. He gets up spritey this morning and going to school. So my orders are out and I thank God for that. And I just like I need to take an hour sleep and then I'll be back at it again because I have more orders to go out and they need to go out tomorrow morning as well, and I have orders for Saturday and then I'm hosting an event on Saturday, so I have no time for myself. But that's the part of owning your own business, so you always have to be whatever. But guys, have a wonderful day, a wonderful Thursday. Be safe, drive safe, no drinking and driving, keep positive energy, Musa right through. Do a little meditation or put your headphone in the ears. Most of you all always listening to music. Put your headphone in the ears and listen to some meditation music or whatever music that helps calm your nerve. Eliminate negative vibes. I am doing it a lot. I have my aroma thing that lets go, my mood oils, nice minted. I like a lot of mint and a lot of strong fragrances, so it lets go a nice mood minted flavored oil. And I have a lot of like the long time music from Amerindians and all these other peoples that plays. I love the Last of Mohican soundtrack and a lot of calming music, especially rainfall and all these types of things. So Wusa energy. Guys, have a blessed day and I hope you take something from this short blog. Bye bye.